So we got the bottle of champagne. About to pop it open. Here we go. First, let me show you guys. There's Caitlin in the shower already. Let me show you guys the place. So here we are in the room. Let me show you guys around. We got the bathroom here. Toilet. The shower with a nice shower head. You can walk in and spin around. Look at this. She's telling me she wants champagne. I'm gonna open it, and then you walk in here, and here is the room. Let's toast it up, Ed.
With my engagement ring on.
Here we are.
So freaking crazy. It's just so.
Congrats to Lives Together.
Lives Together.
Toast. Pretty good. I like it. Come here. Where's that ring at? Woo! Hold on, it didn't focus. Focus! There it goes.
I'm just busy eating. I'm hungry.
We're here eating at the living room at W. Excited. We're engaged. We're engaged. So me and my lovely fiance are going to the pool. The question is, where is the pool? We just have to find it. I believe it's up. I don't know, we'll see. When I came here, I remember seeing that building from the pool. What's up, guys? So me and Caitlin are getting ready to go to dinner at a place that she picked out. So where did you pick out, babe?
I don't remember.
Southern something Juke, I don't know.
See, you don't remember?
We're walking there, so she's doing her makeup right now. It's kind of a cool shot. But anyway, I wanted her to be ready like 30 minutes ago.
Whatever.
Because she was rushing me. But, like Nazis. So, as we're getting ready for dinner, let me show you guys what an absolute mess we are. We got, oh, wait a minute.
Randall, no, I said it. I don't need everyone in the freaking world knowing it.
So, Caitlin's been complaining about how big of a mess I am. And let me just show you how right she is. I have empty champagne here, empty champagne here, a cooler with the orange juice for mimosas, a bag which we brought crap in, or I did, I guess. Gotta have the business cards. Never know who's gonna grab them. Actually, they were in my pocket, so whatever. Got the business cards. Wine, or champagne, wine, champagne there, Coke, obviously, and this. But just look at the counter, man. We took it over. Bags of clothes over here. Complimentary beach towels, which was pretty cool. Came with my package. And Caitlin's getting dressed. And look at this. Counter space. Ooh, I forgot about this.
Of course.
Champagne for the night. We're going to dinner, though. Our view is okay. Maybe you guys did see the view. I don't know. Our view is okay. Anyway, here, let me show you. So, we got a parking deck, a building there, a building there. You know, whatever. But when you look this way, it's pretty cool. That way looks cool. You know, it works. I'm excited. And this bed. Oh, what was that? Oh, I hit her purse. This bed is the most comfortable bed I've ever been on. It's pretty freaking comfortable. What do you say, Caitlin?
I like the pillows.
It's comfortable. The pillows are great. Ooh, yeah, googly eyes. Oh.
You're annoying your viewers.
I'm annoying my viewers?
At this point in time.
Say how excited you are to call me your fiance.
I haven't said it yet.
Wait,
I think I said
you're
it
completely,
once.
you're like a ghost right now. Oh, there it goes.
Good.
Okay, go.
I said I haven't said it yet. I don't know if you've noticed it. I think I said it once on top of the roof.
We got the travel channel on the background because I figured it was fitting because I need to know where we're going to go for our honeymoon, which is years down the road.
Oh, but really not.
A couple years at least. Probably. 2016 is 2014. That's a couple years.
But it's really a year and a half with time, like month-wise, if we're going to go with our dates.
Yeah. So you
But
see,
we don't know. We're not planning anything yet. We've talked a little bit. Not really.
I like the travel channel because I get to see different things. But I want to go to Bora Bora for a honeymoon. I think
Where
it'll be
should we go?
freaking fantastic. Yeah, ask it.
Where should we go?
Without digging in your eyeball.
Where should we go?
For a honeymoon.
Where should we go for our honeymoon?
There we go. Where should we go for our honeymoon? I want to go to Bora Bora. I don't know exactly where she wants to go, but probably somewhere out of the states, right? Out of the country. Yeah, Europe, something like that.
Italy would be amazing.
Italy, tour Italy, that'd be cool. I want to stay on the coast of Italy. If any of you guys watch Entourage and you saw the last scene after the credits with Ari Gold and his wife in Italy, that's what I want my honeymoon to be. Oh, I didn't know this.
Look at this hair.
I didn't know this. So when you get engaged, if you people are already engaged, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't gotten engaged yet, you probably don't know what I'm talking about. But as soon as you get engaged and post it, you should have a date set in your
Already
mind.
picked out.
Yeah, a date already picked out of when the wedding's going to be. Because everybody and their brother and their sister and half brother and sister is going to ask you when the date is. I mean, literally everybody. Everybody. No joke. I finally got sick of it today of people asking. I mean, it's been less than 24 hours. And I finally...
You just set it straight.
Yeah, I got tired of like everybody. I was like, wow, this is unbelievable. I was like, dude, it's been less than 24 hours. That was my response to one dude. I was like, dude, it's been less than 24 hours. Let's just enjoy the engagement, you know? You had another person ask a venue. Like, oh, have you chosen? Chosen? Idiot.
Right.
Have you picked a venue yet? I'm like, picked a venue? Yeah, because we got engaged and immediately sat down and within an hour and a half planned our entire wedding. I mean, we might as well just get eloped in Vegas or something. What do you say, Caitlin?
Yeah, let's do it.
Eloped in Vegas?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Dad will give us money if we do that.
Alright, look. Oh, wait. Go back to the mirror. Now I have two beautiful women. Ooh.
Funny.
Every man's dream. So we are walking to dinner 10 minutes. The good thing is we're getting all walk signs. And, well, here's the good news. When we were at the pool earlier, the people that were, well, they were like 4 or 5 feet beside us, to the left of us, and the one little lady was like, ma'am, can I see your ring and all that? And she looked at Caitlin's ring and complimented it, and we were just sitting there chilling.
Thanks, I just got it.
Yeah.
She said, wow, you did a good job. Can I ask how it went?
Yeah, she asked all about, you know, how I proposed and all that stuff. So that was pretty cool that some just random stranger who we had never seen or met or talked to prior to than that.
That's a stranger.
Yeah.
Thanks for the definition.
The definition of a stranger. But she noticed Caitlin's ring and complimented it and all that. So that makes me feel good. So we just got at the restaurant, about to order. They have a show going on. It's pretty cool. What do you got to say, Caitlin?
I'm excited. I like your restaurants.
With all the lights and stuff. Your dad will like this.
I know, we need to tell him to come back here one day.
Well, we invited him, so we need you.
Yeah, you didn't want to come, so.
He said, I'm taking a nap.
Take a nap. On a Sunday, who does that?
So how are we going to pay for this? So we just got our meal. This is our first fancy engagement meal.
Yeah, it It is.
It is.
What did we eat so far? We ate a burger from the hotel.
No.
What did we eat?
A shrimp po' boy.
A shrimp po' boy from the hotel.
She's tipsy.
Oh my, I just can't remember. But you're talking about a damn burger the whole night. We ate a shrimp po' boy and Moe's.
And Mo.
And now we're eating this, which is really our celebration.
What did you get?
I got fried green tomatoes and crab cake with shrimp. I'm so excited about it. It's gonna be so good.
And I got a pork chop with apples and sweet potato, mashed sweet potatoes and greens. I don't know what greens mean.
It's spinach. It's gonna be
Let's
good.
see. Should I get another drink?
You're going to.
She knows me too well, which is why she said yes.
I didn't say yes.
What?
There's plenty of alcohol in the hotel room.
We do have. I meant say yes to me asking you.
Oh.
we do have plenty of alcohol at the hotel room, so maybe I'll just drink water. That's what I'll do. I'm gonna be wise and save money.
Yeah, right.
No, for real. I'm gonna finish my Long Island.
That is freaking good. Be right there. Eat. Stop.
I gotta take insulin because I'm a diabetic.
Okay, so stop vlogging and eat.
So Caitlin and I walk outside of the restaurant that we just ate at, and lo and behold, it supposedly poured down rain while we were here. So we're gonna catch an Uber, and we have never done an Uber. So this is the first time. We just got engaged for the first time.
Well, you did ask me to marry you again whenever I hadn't married you yet.
That was just for the pictures. But anyway, so
Still said, will you marry me again?
So we're gonna take an Uber, and I'm kind of nervous because I have no idea how this works. So I see how it goes. I'm excited though.
So you're very new to Uber?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's the first time.
Okay, I'm with them just for a month.
Really?
Okay.
Yes.
You like it so far?
I do.
Awesome. What's up, peeps? Next day, another day, and Caitlin is here walking away from me. Ooh, you can smell it. We are here at R. Thomas. Look at the flag. It's pretty cool. That's what Caitlin likes. Open 24/7. It's like a organic breakfast and everything else you can think of food place. Look at the birds, babe. Hey, birdie. Yeah, Chris and Lauren, this is for you. Look at this bird. Wow. Hey, buddy. Watch your back, Caitlin. Hey, bud.
Wow.
That's pretty. Hello. Yep. Come on in. There you go. So we got two completely different things. Caitlin, what did you get?
Breakfast quesadilla and
got a-
seaweed salad.
Breakfast quesadilla and seaweed salad. So weird.
There you go, my
So
friend.
good.
Thanks,
I'll
man.
check back with y'all in just a moment.
Cool. Breakfast quesadilla, and I got the Thai Express bowl with spicy peanut sauce. So we were driving down through Atlanta, and that right behind the light there is the W, and right there on top is the helicopter pad where we were, where we got engaged. Little did she know that was gonna happen. It's kind of cool. I wish this light wasn't in the way, but you can see
Cold. We were
all the way up there. That was us. I wonder if you could probably see us from down here.
That's what I was thinking.
All right, guys. So we just got back from the W. Kind of tired, actually. Seems like we've been going non-stop, but it was a great time. Glad everything went smooth and well. So thanks for watching. We need to close this out with Caitlin. That's probably the right thing to do. Is to close it out with Caitlin here.
You really
What are we about to do?
You don't have that.
We're gonna go on this big claw thing because Caitlin hates me.